Today I'll tell you how to easily add or remove games in Game Launcher on your Samsung phone so you would find your favorite games without any problem. And in the end, I'll tell you how to organize your gaming process effectively. So first of all, you are to locate your gaming hub. This is a pre-installed app, so you'll have it 100%. Let's tap on it. And let's tap on My Games. Here you'll find all the games and applications which are added to Gaming Hub. To add a game, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, press Add Games, and choose the desired game by tapping on it, and now press Add to Gaming Hub. And there you are. Now you can find all of your games in one place. And in order to remove your game from Game Launcher, hold your finger on the game and press Remove from Gaming Hub and confirm your choice by pressing Remove. This removes your game from the Game Launcher but not from the device itself. So you can categorize your games, you can set up a priority mode, you can add up bookmarks, and you can manage your game notifications and see all of them right here. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.